isang palakpakan na may kasamang sigawan! Yes, again. Ay, grabe, ang dami Pilipino. Ako nga po pala si Jen Rosa. Sa mga hindi nakakakilala sa akin dyan, ako po ay isang Viva Max artist. Ayan. Sino ba may mga Viva Max up dyan? Pwede bang sumigaw? Puro babae. Wala naman eh. Ayan. Pwede po ba akong kumuha ng isang maswerteng lalaki na makakasama ko sa aking pangalawang song?
Grabe naman yan.
Ba't nandiyan ka?
Hindi tayo naman masyado.
Hindi
Nakita mo
pa
naman
pwedeng
lalaki.
ikaw
Ako naman
lang.
lalaki ka din. Oli ka dito.
Hindi ba pwedeng ikaw lang? Kailangan ako din.
O sige, kuha po tayo ng dalawang lalaki para kay Jen.
Wow, dalawa?
Yes.
Isa
Guys,
sa'yo?
Isa sa akin, tsaka isa sa'yo, syempre, para masaya tayong dalawa.
Ha?
Come on, dalawang. Tapos guys, mamaya na sa Kabayan ring meet kami para sa meet and greet natin. Punta po kayo
Yes, sa
dyan,
mga gusto magpa-picture at may merch po kami doon.
Yes, tapos don't forget po, meron pong show sila Piola Pascual, Inigo Pascual, ang father and son, on August 22 dito sa UK. For more information, please visit Alrodia para makita niyo po yung poster doon and you can buy your tickets through QR code sa poster na yun. Ayun, nakapag-plug din nun. No?
Yes, kailangan namin ng dalawa.
Yan. Okay na yan, laki yan.
Ay, wow. Ito. Yung tinuturo nila, yung naka-black.
Yan.
Yung red cap.
Sino ba?
Ayun na.
Sino ba?
Si Sir...
Yung nagdadrive sa atin. Grabe nagdadrive sa atin. Gustong sumali, no?
Ay, ito na!
Ito na pala.
Ito na!
At saka yung...
May nag-volunteer na isa.
At saka yung ano, yung...
Akin na to, ha?
Yung foreigner. Ayan,
Ay, gusto
tatlo.
ko yan.
Ang dami
Okay.
namang lalaki.
Ba't tatlo?
Ano to, buffet?
Okay.
Taray, para tayo na sa ano. 4 sila. O sige, ayan, sige, okay na yan. Okay.
Ano ba? Oh, sige,
Oo,
okay.
Okay lang,
Game.
kaya yan. Okay. So before anything else,
Okay.
talagyan mo muna yung mga pangalan na mabilisan.
Sige, mabilisan. Hi, Kuya. What's your name?
I'm Joaquin,
Ilan taon ka na?
16.
16. Sige, dyan ka lang.
Yes!
Na-engage siya. Oh. Hi, what's your name?
Patrick.
Patrick, how old are you?
I'm senior.
Okay, single, married.
Double married.
Double married. Baka nandiyan yung asawa. Hiramin ka muna namin. Hi, what's your name?
Martin,
Martin. How old are you?
32,
Single, married.
married.
Dito ka.
Yeah,
Dahil
married.
32 ka.
Daddy,
By age tayo, Daddy.
Opo,
Oo, by age mo. Huwag ka masaktan.
yung mga lumaban sa kalayaan ng Pilipinas doon po sa dulo. Ayan.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Glenn,
Ang single, married.
married,
Married, okay. How old are you?
53.
Okay, dito ka.
Where's your
Ito
wife?
your last one. Well, no judgment.
She's at Kabayan ring meet your wife?
Oh.
Nice. Let's go there. Okay.
Picture na.
Picture mo.
Nakapicture ako.
Papakita ko sa bata.
Okay, sige. So, may game kami.
Guys, we're going to do a game. It is called Mr. Handsome 2026, okay? All you have to do, you're going to introduce your name
Dito kayo.
and then your pick-up line to Jen, okay? Your name and pick-up line to Jen. Sample, DJ, give us a fast beat song, okay? Oh, yeah. DJ, fast beat.
Fast beat.
Party. Yeah, party.
Ito pala si
Party,
DJ.
party. Ito pala si DJ. DJ dito.
So, name, kaloka-like, and pick up line for me. Pick up line, a flirty line. Name, kaloka-like actor, and pick up line for me.
Okay na yan. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Mr. Handsome 2026. And here is Mr. Handsome, candidate number 1. Sample, look at me. Be attentive. I will not repeat. Okay? Ha! 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 DJ, when stop. Ulit! Ano ba yan? Ladies and gentlemen, once again, Mr. Handsome 2026. DJ, focus. Come on, 10 minutes only. Come on, focus. Once again, Mr. Handsome 2026. Music, DJ.
Late lang.
Magandang tanghali sa inyong lahat. Pinatawag ko kayong lahat May problemang barangay. Bakla si Kapitan. Ako pala si Kapitan. Ako nga pala si Vladimir Macho Corcuera, ang Enrique Hill ng Quezon City. Pag naniniwala kayo, wow. Pag hindi, we. Ang Enrique Hill ng Quezon City.
We!
Gusto kong magsalita ng masama. Pero ang dami-dami nyo. Pick up line. Jen, please close your eyes. Kayo magtatanong ng why. Mas malakas, mas masaya. Please close your eyes. That's my life without you. Yeah! Ganda mo eh. Okay. Just
Okay,
like that, okay?
okay.
Just like that. Okay. Now, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Handsome number 1 music DJ. Yes. Ooh. Come on.
Hello. I'm Joaquin. I'm from London. And are you from Tennessee? Because you're the only 10 I see.
Pick up line.
That was the pickup line. When I pick you up? Huh?
What's your pick up line?
I said
Yun na
it.
yun?
I said it.
Yun na yun? Oh, bahala na yan. Okay na yan.
Are you from Tennessee? Because you're the only 10 I see.
Now I get it. Thank you. Now, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Handsome, number 2. Yes. Oh, yeah. It's so big. Ooh.
My name's Martin, I'm from Bracknell, and I save lives for a living. So why don't you come back to mine so I can care for you?
Wow! Kunwari ka
Ang
ba, di mo
ganda-ganda ko naman dito.
Kunwari ka, di mo naintindihan yun.
Kinikilig talaga ako.
Mr. Handsome, number 3. Oh, ito na. Bibilisan na to. Mr. Handsome, number 3.
Hi, my name is Glenn. I'm from Buckinghamshire. Chicharon ka ba?
Chicharon ba siya?
Sana wag kang maingay pag kinain kita.
Kaso, baliktad.
Thank you so much, Mr. Handsome, number 4. Ay, number 3. And now, Mr. Handsome,
Number
number
four.
4. Yes, Mr. Handsome, number 4, ladies and gentlemen. Oh,
My name is Patrick from Romford, Essex.
okay. Pick up line.
Matamis ka ba?
Matamis ba siya? Bakit po? Pakibilisan po. Andiyan na po yung taxi namin eh. Bakit po daw? Bakit siya matamis?
Bakit siya matamis?
Diabetic ka kasi. Okay na yun. Okay. Tignan natin kung sino mananalo. Okay. Ang mananalo makakapartner ni Jen. Number 1. 130. Number 2. 636. Number 3.
Ang dami pa sa number 3.
6,438. Number 4. 4. Okay, we have a winner.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hug mo sila, hug mo sila. Yan, yan. Hug. Bilisan nyo. Andiyan na yung Uber.
Ano tayo magdadrive?
Oh, yan na. Okay.
Okay, second song. You need one partner too.
Adi, okay na yan.
Okay.
Final song na to. This will be our final song. Okay. Whatever I do to you, you transfer to her. Okay? Play, DJ. Mabilis ang explanation na to. Andiyan na yung Uber na.
Happy Barrio Fiesta. Thank you, sir.
Oh.
Ang sakit ng pet ko, ah.
Ako din, sakit ng pet ko.
Parang
kuya.
sakit ng palo niya.
Grabe ka, kuya. Sumumbo ko namin sa misis mo sa Kabayan Rebate.
Lagot ko.
Maraming salamat sa inyo, guys.
Yes,
At syempre
ang
sa
saya
Philippine
naman.
Center at sa Barrio Fiesta, London, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Bago kami umalis, pwede po ba kami magka-picture sa inyo lahat, guys?
Yes, let's take a picture,
Maraming salamat po.
everyone. Come on.
Thank you. Let's go.
Nag-enjoy ba kayo kina Pepita, Yuki, and Jen Rosa? Thank you guys for joining the All-Star Fiesta sa London. Muli, pinapasalamatan natin ang Philippine Center celebrating 42 years of Barrio Fiesta sa London. At palakpakan natin ang mga mahuhusay na Pinoy talents dito sa UK. Thank you, RJD. Thank you, June Degamon, T-Max, Carlitos Way, Jana Lucero, Justine Afante, Elizabeth Lyons, Mervic Monasilio, Samareños UK Dancers. Thank you so much to all of you guys for sharing your talents here in Barrio Fiesta sa London. You are truly certified all-stars. Mabuhay ang talentong Pinoy, mabuhay ang galing ng Pilipino. Once again, we give you our all-star.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible.
We
See you at Kabayan. We meet and greet.
At salamat sa lahat ng mga sponsors.
Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Once again, this is All-Star Fiesta sa London, brought to you by the Philippine Center in partnership with Apps Court Farm. We would like to thank our co-presenter Odola, our major sponsor Celtron, and our media partner TFC. Ngayon, handa na tayo.
That's right. We have additional prizes. So there will be meet and greet tickets. So please buy more raffle tickets and it will be drawn later on. So please buy more raffle tickets. We have meet and greet ngayon din mapapanalunan.
The more raffle tickets you buy, the more chances of winning.
Especially the 1,000 pounds in cash. Bihira ako makakawak ng 1,000 pounds in cash.
Ngayon, humanda na tayo sa ating Barrio Fiesta sa London celebration with actor, singer Jericho Rosales, multi-award-winning Filipina actress and model Janine Gutierrez, and the first Filipino to win the World Championship of Performing Arts Grand Champion title in 2005 and known as The Voice, Jed Madela. The celebration continues. Barrio Fiesta sa London.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's been an honor to serve in this momentous occasion. Maraming salamat po. My name is Kim Nieva and it's been a pleasure. Maraming salamat po at kita-kits ulit next year. At Avery,
I'll see you guys later. Have fun!
Residences.
I need you to be my alibi.
Kailangan ko ng 10 milyong piso.
Deal.
Pangarap ko yun! Yung masampal ng pera!
The new CEO of Cabrera News, Walter Cunana.
Mas magaling ako. Kaya kong patakboy ng Cabrera News.
I'll always be better than you. Kahit anong gawin mo.
Nasaan ka nung gabing namatay si Walter Cunana?
Magkasama kami. Buong gabi.
The Alibi. Ang buong katotohanan.
From the award-winning beach-inspired energy of Azure North to the active wellness lifestyle estate of Cerulean Residences.